Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of power tools with an in-depth look at the best angle grinders on the market. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, finding the right angle grinder can make all the difference in your projects. From performance to durability, we've got you covered. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. DEWALT DCG 412B20V Max Lithium Angle Grinder. The DEWALT 20V Max XR brushless cutoff/grinder, a cordless angle grinder, stands out as the quintessential choice for professionals and avid DIYers devoted to top-tier tools. Drawing from DEWALT's esteemed 20V Max XR series, this cordless marvel boasts a brushless motor capable of spinning 4 5-inch discs at an impressive 9,000 RPM. Upon putting it to the test, my expectations were not only met but exceeded. Its superb portability and formidable power swiftly tackled cutting and grinding tasks, unencumbered by cords. The robust grip and handle, enveloped in thick rubber, effectively curtailed vibration and fatigue. The inclusion of safety features further enhances its appeal. The electronic brake halts the disc in a mere 2 seconds, a significant improvement over counterparts that can take up to 10 seconds. Additionally, the presence of a kickback brake instills a sense of confidence in operation. Notably, the grinder boasts the most user-friendly wheel guard, effortlessly adjustable with a simple lever push and pivot. Moreover, the tool's unique spindle nut streamlines adjustments, requiring only a single Allen wrench for loosening or tightening. Number 2. Bosch GWS8-45 4.5-inch Angle Grinder. This Bosch corded angle grinder is engineered with a focus on lightweight design and user-friendliness. Weighing just 4 to 2 pounds, it facilitates extended working hours without causing fatigue in the arms and hands. Its slender grip enhances comfort, ensuring ease of use even during prolonged sessions. Powered by a robust 7.5 amp motor, capable of reaching 11,000 RPM, it effortlessly handles a variety of tasks with efficiency. Internally, Bosch has implemented directed airflow to shield the motor and gearbox from dust, safeguarding their vital components. The inclusion of a service minder system for the motor's brushes automatically shuts off the tool when maintenance is required, eliminating guesswork and promoting longevity. This feature not only simplifies long-term usage but also prolongs the tool's lifespan. Backed by a generous 1-year warranty, this grinder offers added peace of mind. Despite its compact motor size, the cutting wheel spins at an impressive 11,000 RPM, underscoring its efficiency. With Bosch's reputation for quality craftsmanship, this angle grinder promises durability and reliability expected from the brand. Number 3. DEWALT DWE402 Angle Grinder Tool, 4 to 1/2 inch. For heavy-duty tasks like production welding and cutting, a grinder that can keep pace is essential, and DEWALT's DWE402 rises to the challenge. This robust machine boasts an 11 amp motor, propelling 4 5-inch grinding and cutting wheels to speeds reaching 11,000 RPM. In my experience, the DWE402 proved to be the quintessential grinder for my tasks. Though its formidable power and high-speed capabilities may not be necessary for everyone, it effortlessly sliced through angle iron with unmatched speed and efficiency, swiftly tackling even my largest, clumsiest amateur-grade welds. Equipped with a speed-boosting button on the handle base, it further optimized performance. However, it's worth noting that despite being hailed as one of the finest variable speed angle grinders, both its vibration control and grip received scant attention during the design process. Pros: pro-grade capability, very fast and powerful, high amperage motor for heavy-duty work, 360-degree rotation. Cons: not much vibration control. Number 4. Porter Cable PCC 761B20V Max Angle Grinder. At the more affordable end of the price spectrum lies the Porter Cable 20V Max Angle Grinder, a reliable option that delivers commendable performance without breaking the bank. The Porter Cable PCC 761B boasts a potent motor, capable of reaching 8,500 RPM. While this speed places it in a similar range as the Milwaukee 2780-20 mentioned earlier, it may lack a bit in torque, particularly when cutting thicker metal plates. However, for grinding tasks, it performs admirably. Swapping out wheels is a breeze thanks to the spindle lock, and the grinder's internals are meticulously balanced to provide a comfortable feel, minimizing strain on the wrist during operation. Furthermore, the handle offers 3 adjustable positions, ensuring optimal grip regardless of the nature of the task at hand. If your angle grinder sees occasional use, the Porter Cable PCC 761B20V Max Angle Grinder is more than capable of meeting your needs effectively. Pros: relatively cheap, decent performance, adjustable side handle, easy to handle. Cons: trigger type switch. Number 5. Makita XAG04Z18V LXT Cordless Cutoff/Angle Grinder. For those in search of top-tier cordless angle grinder performance, the Makita XAG04Z is a standout option worthy of consideration. This acclaimed angle grinder achieves an impressive top speed of 8,500 RPM, courtesy of its brushless motor and 18-volt lithium-ion battery, accommodating both 4, 5, and 5-inch discs. In our experience, the XAG04Z proved to be a pleasure to work with. While its top speed may not be the highest, its automatic speed adjustment mechanism ensured consistent performance even during demanding cuts and grinds. Minimal vibration was observed, attributable to the rubber overmolded grip and handle, while the inclusion of a lock-on switch was greatly appreciated. However, it's worth noting a couple of drawbacks. Assembling the two-piece handguard was slightly cumbersome, and the absence of a battery and charger in the package was somewhat disappointing. Pros: automatically adjusts speed and torque settings, slow start keeps the tool from jumping, lock-on switch, very little noticeable vibration. Cons: no battery or charger included.